Yeah, you are right, Mimi. Summer season is getting harsh.
Mom, can we order a juice from the restaurant? Pretty please.
How about we make something even better than restaurant juice? Something cold, sweet, and a little bit sour.
Lemonade?
The real kind, with fresh lemons and lots of ice. Want to help me?
Okay, but only if I get to squeeze the lemons.
Deal. Let's go then.
What do we need to make a lemonade?
Well, Mimi, we need nothing much. Just lemons, sugar, and some water. I'm gonna grab the lemons. Why don't you fetch me the sugar jar?
Yes, Captain Mom!
Give it a good firm squeeze, Mimi. We want every last drop.
Okay. My science teacher said lemon juice gives you lots of vitamin C.
That's right. And sugar gives you a quick energy boost too. Okay, time to turn off the stove. We need to let the syrup cool to room temperature. Okay, Mimi, now carefully pour the water into the pitcher. Now, Mimi, it's time to pour the lemon juice into the pitcher. Now we add a pinch of salt to our lemonade mixture. Now we put this in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it get nice and cold.
Aw, we have to wait 30 whole minutes?
Let's go watch your favorite show, and you can read me your storybook. That'll make the time fly.
The little bear found a hidden cave behind the sparkling waterfall.
Wow, Mimi, your reading has improved so much. Good job.
Thank you, Mom.
Mimi, did you know that lemonade actually originated in ancient Egypt?
Whoa, really, Mom?
The ancient Egyptians mixed fresh lemon juice with sugar and called this sweet and tangy drink katar mizat. This recipe traces back as early as the 11th century.
That's so cool, Mom! So how did the rest of the world learn about lemonade?
Well, the lemonade recipe traveled all the way from ancient Egypt, passed through the Mediterranean Sea, and eventually reached Europe. Vendors carried lemonade on their backs and sold it in the streets of Rome and Paris.
That shows how different cultures share and improve things together.
Yes, Mimi, you're absolutely right. And also, Lemonade Day is celebrated every year on the first Sunday of May.
That's so interesting, Mom. much longer until the lemonade is ready?
Just 10 more minutes, Mimi.
The wait is finally over. Let's pour our lemonade. But first, we need some ice. Good job, Mimi.
All done! Mimi, take the bowls to the living room and get the snacks ready. I'll bring the lemonade.
Yes, Captain Mom!
One glass of fresh lemonade for Mimi.
Thank you, Mom! Mom, this is so delicious and refreshing.
Thank you, dear. Mimi, should we go over the ingredients for our lemonade one more time for everyone watching?